Hey guys, Chris here again, Trucks, Buffs and Guns. A very quick one, just a very quick one here. Have you got lights like this, LED lights like this, and want them like that? I'll give you a quick tip now, just a quick one. Get yourself a rag, some cut and polish. As I'm fighting here to hold the camera and the rag and the polish all at the same time, I just want to say this process will work on headlights, tail lights, indicators, or any other light that's faded. It's not always going to work. Sometimes you're going to have to sand it back with some sandpaper and polish it. Other than that, if it doesn't work, well then you're just going to have to re-clear the tail light or headlight, whatever you want. But this process here, it worked pretty good on these lights. It got rid of the yellowiness. Now it's roadworthy again, because you know yellowiness is unroadworthy. It didn't take much, all by hand, elbow grease. At the end of the day, give it a go, see where you got to lose. Lucky these ones didn't need re-clearing, but they've come up pretty good for what they are. Bam. And there you have it. A bit of cutting compound on the rag in there. Just get it a little bit on there and just up and down, and it'll get rid of that yellowiness. Yeah, you can mask up the light if you don't want to get cutting compound around the plastics, but this one's alright. I'm going to gurney it off anyway, give it a quick wash. It's that simple. Just a little bit of cutters on the rag, bang bang bang, bit of elbow grease, and you're done.